Good day, employers. I am Christine Tacoyan from Philippines. I am single and I have one daughter, 8 years old. In 2016, I worked in Qatar for 3 years. My main duties is to take care of two kids, 3 years old girl and 5 years old boy. I do the house chores, I cook Arabic food, I bake bread and cake, I clean the car, I wash and iron the clothes, I do some grocery shopping with my employers, and I finish my contract. In 2020, my first employer here in Hong Kong, they live in Sai Kung with 2,100 square feet house with third floor and rooftop. They have four adults, one dog, they have three cars. I do the house chores, I cook Chinese food, I bake bread, I wash and iron clothes, I walk every day the dog, and I finish my contract in 2022. In 2022, I work in my second employer here in Saikong also with 2,400 square feet house. Only in first floor, second floor, and rooftop we live. They are four adults, one dog, but I take care two dogs. I cook Chinese food, I do the house chores, I wash two cars, I wash and iron clothes. And I'm going to finish my contract on November. My visa will end at November 7. I like cooking. I active outdoors. I am responsible to my work. I'm caring with the kids. I can follow instruction. I can follow recipe, new recipe, and I like to take care pet. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to be part of your family soon.